Good evening, friends. I'm ur15cs335. I'm doing a program using friend functions. So in my program, I have a class called distance that I have two private members, feet and inches. In public, I have a constructor, default constructor, in which I have declared the feet and initialize the feet and inches to 0. I have another constructor in that I have a parameter float FLT feet. So done the type conversion. So I've got the float value of FLT feet and I've given the int value of FLT feet to feet, and inches is calculated by multiplying 12 into FLT feet minus feet. I have another constructor which have two parameters, int feet and float in, which is nothing but feet in inches. So feet is equal to ft and inches equal to in. The show distance shows the value of feet and the value of feet in inches. So I have declared a friend function distance operator which has two parameters in it, which is passed from the main function. I have defined it outside the class. So in that, int f is equal to int f sums the sum of feet of two distances, and float I sums up the inches of two distances. If my I is greater than or equal to 12, then I is initialized to 12 and f increases, and or return distance f comma I. So in my main function, it shows the result, that is I have initialized d1 as 2.5, d2 as 1.25. So my d3 is calculated like first d1 is displayed and then d2 is displayed. d1 is called when d1 is displayed, it is called, so it displays the feet and inch values, and when d2 is displayed it calls the show distance and it also displays the feet in inches value. For d3 it is calculated like d1 plus 10. This plus calls the plus operator, that is my friend function, which is nothing but operator overloading. So the first value d1, for d1 value is sent, and plus 10 is for the second parameter 10 is sent. So here d1 will be 10 and d2 d1 will be the d1 value and the d2 will be given as 10, and it is added and the result is, and we get the result. So again, now d3 is equal to 10 plus d1. So now my first parameter value will be given 10 and the next parameter value will be given the value of d1. And again it is displayed and the display function is called. So we'll see the output now. So distance 1 is 2 feet and in inches it is 6 inches. So 1 feet, D2 is 1 feet and in inches it is 3 inches. So my D3 is 12 feet and it is 6 inches. And again my D3 is 12 feet and 6 inches. These both are same. The change is only the value for the first and second parameter are interchanged. Thank you, friends.